Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on the additional settings. As you can see, at the very first position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide if we want to use the network provided time and time zone, or if we want to set it manually. If you want to set it manually, just tap on those switchers, and as you can see, the date, time and time zone options are active. So now we can freely tap on the date, and by swiping choose the date we want to use. Let's tap on OK. As you can see, it is immediately applied, so here you can decide what the date currently is. And let's tap on the time, and here also by swiping you can choose the time you want to use. The same situation with the time zone, just tap here, choose the region, and here you have to find the region you want to apply. So let's tap on it, on this one for example, and let's get back. It is also immediately applied, and be aware that the time will change according to the time zone. What's more, you can change the time format, just tap here, and now you can now it is automatically set it based on the system language, but you can choose the 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So let me pick, for example, 12-hour format, and as you can see, it is immediately applied and visible on the status bar. What's more, under it we've got the dual clock option, so if you want to see the current time in a different place of the world, then simply make sure that this option is turned on, and here you can tap on the second clock and choose the region of it, for example maybe Antarctica. Let's tap on the time zone, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just choose the time format, the automatic time format, just use the network provided time zone and network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to manage date and time in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.